guys want to see the coolest toy ever for Christmas? Watch this video to find out. Hey guys, this is Jennifer Treats. Welcome back to my channel. Another awesome video by me. Today, I'm going to talk to you about something awesome. Okay, they're kind of old, I know, but to me, they're still really cool. Okay, so they actually do still sell these, and yes, mine's open because I was playing with it because I wanted to learn it so I could show you how to do it. So anyways, this is called Bright Bugz Evolution. So these are those cool little things you probably, I think they're as seen on TV, and that you like sling, you know, looks like you're throwing a light back and forth and stuff. So it just says magically flies from hand to hand. It does come with the box, obviously, and then it has the little instructions. There is an app that goes along with it as well. There's so many cool tricks you can do, and I literally learned them all within like an hour of getting it. So I'm super excited to show you. These are the little buggies. This is what they look like. They are little bugs. And so they do come with different size bands, and these are the bands that your fingers go onto. Put it on your index finger, and the bands do come in small, medium, and large, so that's what they look like. And I did get the red ones, although they are available in several different colors right there. But this is what they look like. There's tons of videos on here about them as well, so you can learn different tricks. But let me show you real quick. I did do some video at night so you can see what they look like. So without further ado, watch how cool this is. Cool is that, right? You guys like those tricks? They're super easy to learn, and I really believe that anyone can learn those tricks. They're super fun. It's just fun to play with it. So anyways, it does come with an app. This is the app. I'm going to show you what it looks like. There's some really cool things that you can do with this too as far as tricks. So it also does have a tricks section to help teach you some new tricks if you want to learn some new ones. It also has instructions to help you learn as well. But the very first thing that you see once you open it is the different colors available. So for me, I have the red one. I mean, you can really play with any of them, but this is the screen that comes up because I do have the red. So this is the basic style, and this is the premium. So I like the one with the tail on it. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. This is what it looks like, right? So it's like the bug is inside of the screen. Now watch. Do it with my thumb, and then I'm gonna pull it out. See, he's right there. Okay, now watch, I'm gonna put him back in. Look, he's right there, okay? We're gonna sling him around, he can play or dance, whatever. I'm gonna put my thumb because it's easier, and we're gonna slide him off the screen. Ready? Oh. There he is. See? There he is. Ready? Put him back. There he is. Okay? Isn't that cool? Alright. The next thing that you can do, and you can select the actual bug to be on the screen. There he is, bouncing around. You can do that. And then the other really cool thing is you can select, this is for the hollow beam. And again, I'm gonna do this one because I like seeing the little bug guy actually in the screen. And for this, you want to turn your brightness all the way up. Okay? And then it will tell you to adjust. This is a hollow beam right in the middle of the screen. And you can see the little guy. Hold on, where's he at? There he is. Look at him. How cool is that? Okay, and then you can take him out. Typically this would be on a flat surface. And I can't figure out how to do it other than to tap. So he's in there. And we take him out and we put him back. Right there. There he is. How cute! So there are some different options with that, but these are the instructions. It tells you some of the tricks you can do, and it also tells you about the app. So the only bad thing that I have to say is that the bands get stretched out. So once I put it on my finger, it is stretched to that size. So if you do have a bigger size finger, if you're an adult or a male, definitely use the large bands. And there are instructions to it's real easy to switch them out. But once you put them on and they're stretched to that big size, that's what you're stuck with. So if it is a child using them with smaller fingers, then definitely use the smaller bands. But yes, but I think these are cool for any age. Anybody can love them. So yeah. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's like a cool magic trick. And you gotta do the sound effects, like, yeah. Anyways, I do want to say that this was purchased on my own. Well, my husband got it for me because he knew that I've been really wanting them. But anyways, it was purchased on our own, and this is my own review. It's just something really cool that I really like that I wanted to share with you that I think would be a really cool Christmas gift. Easy, cool, and kind of Christmas gift for someone. And if you like Bright Bugz and we're looking to learn new tricks, there you go. And also stay tuned because I do have a giveaway coming up very soon. Those final products that I ordered will be in very soon, so stay tuned for that in the next week. But yeah, so I hope that you like the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like the video. Leave me a question or a comment below if you like it or you have any questions. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. And I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.